Hi friends, today in this video you will learn trigonometry. Trigonometry, it is the combination of three words: tri, gonia and metron. Tri means three, gonia means an angle and metron measurement. So trigonometry means three angle measurement. Three angles we find in triangle. So in this chapter you will learn the relation between sides and angles of a triangle. First let us see the definition of trigonometric ratios. T ratios. ABC is a right triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. I am taking C as a theta, some angle. With respect to theta, this side BC is called adjacent side. With respect to theta, this side AB is called opposite side. This is the opposite side to right angle, so we will call it is hypotenuse. So let us define trigonometric ratios. First one, sin theta. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse is called sin theta. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Here in this triangle, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Now, second trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta. Cos theta definition is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. In this triangle, adjacent side is BC by AC. Now, third one, tan theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta is called tan theta. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here in this triangle, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. These are called main ratios. Now we have other three ratios. Those are the reciprocals of these. Sin reciprocal is cosec. Cosec theta is equal to reciprocal of sin. Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. In this triangle it is AC by AB. Now fifth one, cos reciprocal is secant. So secant theta is equal to cos theta is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. That is equal to AC by AB. Now, sixth one, cot theta. It is a reciprocal of tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So, cot theta is adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. That is equal to BC by AB. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now let us see the relation between these 6 trigonometric ratios. Relation between T ratios. First one is cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, implies cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Second one, secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So if we cross multiply, we will get secant theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Third relation, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, implies cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeters. Determine sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. First, let us draw a rough figure for the given data. It is given B is 90 degrees. So I am taking it is as B. This is A. This is C. AB is equal to 24 centimeters. BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So first let us find AC using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It is Pythagoras theorem. AB value is 24. So 24 square plus 7 square is equal to AC square. 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49 is equal to AC square. 576 plus 49 is 625 is equal to AC square, implies AC is equal to 25 centimeters. So this one we will get 25. Now let us find trigonometric ratios. First one, sin A. Sin A definition, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Here with respect to A, this is opposite side BC, hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC, we have BC length 7 and AC length 25. Now cos A. Cos A definition is adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. To this A, this is adjacent side and it is hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to AB by AC. Here AB length is 24 and AC is 25. Now question number 2, sin C. Now with respect to C, sin definition, opposite by hypotenuse. So now opposite side is AB by AC. So here AB length we have 24 and AC length 25. Cos C. With respect to C, cos C means BC by AC. BC length is 7 and AC length is 25. Question number 2. In the figure, find tan P minus cot R. Observe the figure. Here in triangle PQR, it is given angle Q is equal to 90 degrees and PQ is 12 centimeters, PR is equal to 13 centimeters. So using Pythagoras theorem, first we will find QR length. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Pythagoras theorem. PQ length is given 12 square plus QR we need to find PR square 13 square. 12 square is 144 plus QR square is equal to 169, implies QR square is equal to 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25, implies QR is equal to 5 centimeters. So QR length is 5 centimeters. Now let us find tan P minus cot R. Solution: tan P with respect to P. With respect to P, tan definition opposite by adjacent. So QR by PQ. Here QR length is 5 and PQ length is 12. Now cot R with respect to R, cot theta, adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So QR by PQ. QR length is 5, PQ length is 12. Now we have to find tan P minus cot R. Substituting these values in this one, tan P is 5 by 12 minus cot R is also 5 by 12. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is 0. Question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Let us draw a right angle triangle. So I am taking it is as B, 90 degrees, A, C. Now solution: sin A is equal to 3 by 4. According to the definition, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. From the figure, I am taking it is as A. To A, opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC implies BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 4. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will find the other side AB. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It is Pythagoras theorem. AB length we need to find. So AB square plus BC length is 3 centimeters. AC length is 4 centimeters. AB square is plus 9 is equal to 16, implies AB square is equal to 16 minus 9, which is equal to 7, implies AB is equal to root 7 centimeters. So AB length is root 7. BC is 3. AC is 4. Now let us find cos A. Cos A is equal to, according to A, with respect to A, cos theta definition, opposite adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. AB length is root 7 and AC length is 4. Now tan A. With respect to A, this is opposite side and this is adjacent side. So BC by AB. BC length is 3 and AB length is root 7. Question number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. find sin A and secant A. Let us draw one right angled triangle. I am taking it is as B. This is A and it is C. Now, solution. 15 cot A is equal to 8 implies cot A is equal to, it will become 8 by 15. Cot A definition. Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. That is equal to cot theta definition with respect to A. Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So AB by BC implies AB is equal to 8 centimeters and BC is equal to 15 centimeters. So we know AB length and BC length. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will find hypotenuse AC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AB length is 8 and BC length is 15 is equal to AC square. 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225 is equal to AC square. 64 plus 225 is 289 is equal to AC square, implies AC is equal to 17 centimeters. So AC length is 17 centimeters. Now finding sin A. Sin A is equal to, with respect to A, sin theta definition, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC length is 15 centimeters and AC length is 17. Now secant A. Secant A definition with respect to A. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. So AC by AB. AC length is 17. AB length is 8. Question number 5. Given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Let us draw one right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degrees and angle A is equal to theta. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Secant theta definition. With respect to this secant theta definition, hypotenuse by adjacent side. So here hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is AB, implies AC is equal to 13 centimeters and AB is equal to 12 centimeters. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we will find the other side. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AB length is 12. BC we are finding. AC 13. So 144 plus BC square is equal to 169. BC square is equal to 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25, implies BC is equal to 5 centimeters. So BC length is 5 centimeters. AB is 12. AC is 13. Now let us find trigonometric ratios. Sin theta. Sin theta definition, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. BC length is 5. AC length is 13. Now cos theta. Cos definition. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. AB by AC. Here AB length is 12 and AC length is 13. Now tan theta. Definition. Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. BC by AB is equal to 5 by 12. Now sine reciprocal. Theta is equal to cosec. Definition. Hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. So AC by BC, that is equal to 13 by 5. Already secant theta value is given. Now we will find cot theta. It is reciprocal of tan. Tan is BC by AB. So this is AB by BC. That is equal to 12 by 5. Question number 6. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, cot square theta. So let us draw one right angle triangle. I am taking it is as 90 degrees. Angle A as theta. Now solution. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Cot theta definition from the triangle. Cot theta is equal to adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So that is equal to AB by BC is equal to 7 by 8. Implies AB is equal to 7 centimeters and BC is equal to 8 centimeters. AB length is 7 and BC length is 8. So using these two we will find hypotenuse AC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. 7 square plus 8 square is equal to AC square. 49 plus 64 is equal to AC square. 49 plus 64 is 113 is equal to AC square. Implies AC is equal to under root 113. So this is root 113. Now first question. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Substituting values. Here sin theta with respect to this BC by AC is equal to 8 by root 113. Cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse AB by AC is equal to 7 by root 113. So substituting these values in this one is equal to 1 plus 8 by root 113 into 1 minus 8 by root 113 by 1 plus 7 by root 113 into 1 minus 7 by root 113. This is equal to, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b in denominator also. So it can be written a square minus b square. So 1 square minus 8 by root 113 whole square. Denominator 1 square minus of 7 by root 113 whole square is equal to 1 square is 1, 8 square is 64 by 113. In the same way in denominator 1 minus 49 by 113. Taking LCM and simplifying. 113 into 1, 113 minus 64 by 113. Denominator 113 minus 49 by 113. We can cancel this 113 and this 113. So 113 minus 64 is 49. 113 minus 49 is 64. Second one, cot square theta. We have cot value 7 by 8 whole square, that is equal to 49 by 64. Question number 7. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Let us draw one right angled triangle. It is B, angle A, C. Now, solution. 3 cot A is equal to 4 implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3, that is equal to, from the figure, cot definition, adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. So AB by BC implies AB is equal to 4 units and BC is equal to 3 units. So I am writing values. AB is 4, BC is 3. So finding AC using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB length is 4, BC length is 3 is equal to AC square. 16 plus 9 is equal to AC square. 16 plus 9 is 25 is equal to AC square, implies AC is equal to 5 centimeters or units. Now I will find tan A from the figure. Tan A is equal to, tan definition, opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta, BC by EAB is equal to 3 by 4. Let us find the sin and cos values also. Sin A, sin definition, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, BC by AC, that is equal to 3 by 5. Cos A, cos A, adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse, AB by AC, that is equal to 4 by 5. I am finding 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A value. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to 1 minus tan A value is 3 by 4 whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square, that is equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16. Simplifying. Numerator and denominator. 16 ones are 16 minus 9 by 16 in denominator. 16 ones are 16 plus 9 by 16. This 16 will get cancelled. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 plus 9 is 25. Now let us find cos square A minus sin square A value. Cos square A minus sin square A is equal to cos A 4 by 5 whole square minus sin A 3 by 5 whole square. This is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a value is 7 by 25. Cos square a minus sin square a value is also 7 by 25. So we can say that these two are equal. Therefore, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Question number 8. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Let us draw one right angled triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degrees. Now, solution. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, that is equal to, from the figure, tan definition, opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. So, BC by AB implies BC is equal to 1 centimeter and AB is equal to root 3 centimeters. So, I am substituting those values in the figure. So, using Pythagoras theorem, we will find AC length. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Here AB length is root 3 square plus BC length is 1 square is equal to AC square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 1 is equal to AC square. 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to AC square. Implies AC is equal to 2 centimeters. So this is 2 centimeters. Now let us do first sum. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A value from the figure, sin theta, BC by AC. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into cos C. With respect to C, cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. 1 by 2 plus cos A with respect to A, cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 into sin C with respect to C, sin theta, AB by AC. Root 3 by 2. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Plus root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4. Now, denominators are same. So, adding numerators by 4. 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Now, second sum. Cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. Cos A with respect to A, AB by AC. Root 3 by 2. Cos C with respect to C, cos BC by AC. 1 by 2 minus sin A with respect to A, BC by AC. 1 by 2. Sin C with respect to C, sin AB by AC. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 into 1, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Question number 9. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters and PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Let us draw one right angled triangle. Right angle at Q, it is given Q is equal to 90 degrees. Solution. PR plus QR is given 25 centimeters. PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters. I am taking it as equation 1. And PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. It is Pythagoras theorem. PQ length is 5 square plus QR square is equal to PR square. 25 plus QR square is equal to PR square, implies PR square minus QR square is equal to 25. It is in A square minus B square form. So, writing it is as A plus B into A minus B. PR plus QR into PR minus QR is equal to 25. Substituting PR plus QR value in this. That is 25 into PR minus QR is equal to 25. 25 ones implies PR minus QR is equal to 1. I am taking it as the equation 2. By solving 1 and 2, we will get PR and QR values. PR plus QR is equal to 25. PR minus QR is equal to 1. Adding these two equations, then QR minus QR will get cancelled. 2PR is equal to 26, implies PR is equal to 26 by 2, that is equal to 13. So this is 13 centimeters. Now let us write this PR value in equation 1 or in equation 2 to get QR value. I am writing it in equation 1. PR plus QR is equal to 25. 13 plus QR is equal to 25, implies QR is equal to 25 minus 13, that is equal to 12. So this is 12 centimeters. Now let us find sin P, cos P and tan P values with respect to P. Sin P is equal to sin theta definition, opposite by hypotenuse, QR by PR. Here QR length is 12, PR length is 13. Now cos P, cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse, PQ by PR. PQ length is 5, PR length is 13. Tan P, tan definition, opposite by adjacent, QR by PQ, that is equal to 12 by 5. Question number 10. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeters and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Figure is given. OPQ is a right angle triangle in which angle P is 90 degrees and OP is 7 centimeters. Solution. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. It is given. So I am taking it as equation 1. In triangle OPQ, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, PQ square plus OP square is equal to OQ square. It is Pythagoras theorem. Now, PQ square plus OP length is given 7. 7 square is equal to OQ square. PQ square plus 49 is equal to OQ square. Implies OQ square minus PQ square is equal to 49. It is A square minus B square form. So can be written as A plus B into A minus B. OQ plus PQ into OQ minus PQ is equal to 49. OQ plus PQ into OQ minus PQ value is given 1 into 1 is equal to 49. Implies OQ plus PQ is equal to 49. I am taking it as equation 2. By solving 1 and 2, we will get OQ and PQ values. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. OQ plus PQ is equal to 49. Adding both the equations. So these two will get cancelled. OQ plus OQ. 2OQ is equal to 1 plus 49. 50. Implies OQ is equal to 50 by 2. That is equal to 25. So OQ value is 25 centimeters. By writing this OQ value in equation 1 or in equation 2, we will get other side. I am writing it in equation 2. That is OQ plus PQ is equal to 49. 25 plus PQ is equal to 49. PQ is equal to 49 minus 25, which is equal to 24. So this is 24 centimeters. Now let us find sin Q and cos Q values. Sin Q. From the figure, sin Q definition, opposite by hypotenuse. OP by OQ. OP length is 7. OQ length is 25. Now cos Q. Cos definition, adjacent by hypotenuse. So PQ by OQ. That is equal to 24 by 25.